today we are going to be doing a video on things I like and dislike about my 2017 Subaru Wrx. That motor, piece of shit. They're fucking garbage. YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy NickStaxz back at it again with another video. We got someone behind the camera now. We're going to be making a video on Subaru Wrx. Right now, we're going to get the car on the road. Don't worry about the license plate, because you know. Yeah. Yo, and make sure you guys comment down below if the camera person sucks or they're good. Cold start. Go ahead to the exhaust. Nice little subie rumble. You already know.
What's up everybody, it's your girl Liz, and we are back at it again with another video, another banger. And today we have a video on this beautiful 2017 Wrx Subaru.
Boring.
YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy NickStaxz back at it again with another video. And as you guys can see, we have my 2017 Subaru Wrx. If you guys don't know, I did pick this car up. Make sure you guys check out the previous videos if you guys want to know more about where I got this car, yada yada, you know. But today we are going to be doing a video on things I like, love, hate, dislike, pretty much things I like and dislike about my 2017 Subaru Wrx. These are opinion based. So don't come for me in the comments saying, oh, that's just you don't like it, or you, it doesn't matter. This is what I like, this is what I dislike. So you guys want to know one thing I do like about this Subaru, pretty much this year Subaru itself, it don't got to be 2017, just this shape year, is the looks. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. It's aggressive. You got wheels on it. This one's not lowered and it still looks pretty good. But this car is a real... Are you recording me or are you recording the car?
I'm recording you in the car, but I'm recording you.
So yeah guys, as you guys can see, you just do little things here and there. Even stock, this car does look really good. Let's move on to the front over here. Really just understand this car has really nice body lines. It's a really beautiful four-door car. It's a sporty sedan. Like, you can have your whole family in this car, still look clean, you know? The next thing I love about this car is the space. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but coming from a 350Z and being 6'3" like I am, this car is so spacious. Like, my Z, I probably almost touched the whole other side when I put my arm out. This car, I have actual space. The dash has good space. Take a look at the back seats, for example, too. I don't even have those in Z's, but look at all that space. Did you put your cup back there?
Yes, I did.
That shit better not be dripping. Anyways, got good space. You come back here as well. Come take a look at this. I could fit 2 bodies in there. I mean, we could fit a lot of groceries in there. You feel me? Look at all the space in this car. Okay, now we're gonna do a couple things I don't like about this car. This one, where the fuck is it? Is a bummer for me, because you know I like to abuse my cars. The engine. Drum roll, please. They're fucking garbage. These motors barely take a beating. Every Subaru owner knows these shits blow up. These shits end up ticking. These are not good motors, man. Subaru. Not good motors. You could put power into these cars. You could put all the money in the world to make this car fast. That is one of the weak spots of this car, sadly, is the motor. Fa20s are not reliable at all. There is some people that's gonna say, I had mine for 200,000 miles. I had mine for, I don't care. You probably drive like a bitch. this car, if you want to have fun, if you want to enjoy the car, this car right here, this motor, not it, man. Not it. That's why people end up building these motors. So yeah, guys, the motor is one of the weak links to this beautiful car. Is it reliable? Can be if you don't abuse it, but your time is ticking. This car right here, I'm scared to abuse it because I think that fucking motor is gonna go to the moon. Anyways, yeah, guys, if you guys are looking for reliability, this isn't one of those cars you should be looking for if you want a reliable sedan. Can you keep it reliable? Maybe. Is it gonna last forever? Could. But from my experience and from where everyone else knows, that motor, piece of shit. All right, another thing I dislike about this car in particular is, well, I'm gonna tell you two things I like and dislike this time. One thing I do like is this car does have a big aftermarket support with parts, performance parts, body parts, you feel me, kits, wings, trunk, tail lights, rims. This car does have a lot of aftermarket support with a lot of companies, Subie, Speed, you know, whatever. Then they have performance mods also. They have a lot of performance mods. You can make 400 to 500 wheel horsepower out of this car. I'm not gonna say safely because my homies made 400 out of these cars before building motor. They didn't build their motors, didn't upgrade turbo, but you can make some jam out of these cars. You could do a lot to this car to really make it look good and performance wise, make it really fast. But like I said before, motor's not reliable. So count your days when you do that. And the other thing I was talking about before that I was getting to that I don't like about this car now is the performance mods. Every performance mod you put on this car, you will need to tune it. I bought this car with a blow-off valve on it. Sadly, it didn't have no tune. You're gonna need a cob, which is a access port. It's a controller that you could tune your car with. You can get tunes sent into you, download them on the controller and run them with your mods. This car had no tune that I know of, had a blow-off valve, and since it didn't have a tune, the blow-off valve kept shutting the car off because the computer didn't read how much air pressure it was getting every time it was blowing off into the air. I had a BLV, I'll put it on the screen right here, X speed or something like that. And it sounded good. I'll put a clip right here how it sounded. So yeah, guys, every mod you do performance wise, besides this exhaust, I don't really know if this is an exhaust. I think it's just a welded tips on the exhaust. You do an intake, you need a tune. The cob comes with tunes already. They're called off the shelf tunes, or you can have a tuner that does Subaru tunes send you in tunes, which are way better to do. Don't use off the shelf. Get a tuner that does Subaru work and get him to tune your car. You do exhaust, you do downpipe, you do anything you do, you must get a tune or else the car is gonna run like fucking shit. The computer won't read it and the computer will end up making the car act weird or whatever, you feel me? So you will need a tune anytime you do performance mods. So I suggest your first mod, whenever you get this car, if you are gonna mod your car and do performance mods, get a cob. All right, I got a couple things I like and dislike, but it is about to rain. Well, actually it is raining, so I'm gonna get this shit out the way real quick. Another thing I really do like about Subarus is that subie rumble. They sound so good. Get close to there real quick. Just listen to this idle. So calm and nice. Let me go into the car now. Let me do a couple revs. Not gonna lie, once you put a Tomei on this, any exhaust, this, like I said, I think this is just stock exhaust. They cut the resonators off and put their own pipes on. Sounds pretty good. Would be better if it had a Tomei. You know me, I'm a Tomei kind of guy. So come along, we're gonna keep this camera rolling. I know we talked about the interior being spacious already, but I want to talk about how good the interior looks. Just look at how beautiful this interior is. Got carbon accents. I don't know if this comes like this or they added this, but that's an upgrade. This I didn't make this pink, don't worry about it. Boost gauge, this just shows a lot of stuff up there. You could pretty much play with it on the, you know. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful car. Interior is very beautiful. It's not cheap like my Z, where shit just scratches up and breaks. Everything is very beautiful. Everything is sturdy. And I just like how they put the little red pinstripe to, like, even they got a little red light down there. But I don't know if they changed that or if it's red. But yeah, I like that. Red everything. Feel me? Another thing I guess I don't like about this car is the fucking speakers, bro. I don't know if there's different trims that got better speakers, but these speakers fucking suck dick. Yeah. Alright, shut the fuck up. In your ear, shut your ass up, boy. That shit is ass. No bass. This is straight vocals only, and that shit is staticky. It might sound good on camera, but that shit is not good in the fucking car at all. You might need to upgrade speakers. Like I said in my previous video, I think the guy did have speakers in this car because he has like a little bass knob right here. I didn't add that, and I don't think that's stock. So yeah, guys. But if you are looking for a newer car, don't really have too much money to be in the mechanic shop, not saying that you will be, but I'm pretty sure you will be, and you want a reliable sedan that you can upgrade, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this is the car for you. So if you're looking for something reliable, I suggest not getting this car. But if you are looking for something fun, sedan, make it look good, make it look nice, don't care about reliability because you got some money to spend if it breaks, drop a new motor in it, I would get a Subaru. Honestly, I would get a Subaru. Pretty dope car. Or, last but not least, if you love Subarus, get a Subaru. Oh my god, guess what? It's a putti and a subie.
You thought you ate.
I ain't nothing yet. Y'all would've been screaming. You finna be eating this. Huh? What'd you say? Oh look, your cup matches the center console. That means you need to buy it off me, huh?
$15 is the best I could do.
Shit. You do payments in that mouth.
That's the wrong type of M.
You can do payments with that that fat, big, juicy, voluptuous
back. Come on, I'm ready to go to my mom's house. I'm fucking starving. I'm about to slap this fucking camera out your fucking face.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. If you guys want to see more Subaru content, subscribe. Make sure you guys slap that like button on this video if you guys learned something. If you guys got any help from this video. If you guys want to see Z content, subscribe. It's your boy NickStaxz. This weather is looking pretty crazy. What the fuck? Where did those people come from? They ended up turning around. It's your boy. It's your boy NickStaxz. I'm out. Peace.